Silakan masuk.
Selamat pagi, Bu.
Pagi. Anissa ya?
Iya.
Silakan duduk.
Terima kasih.
Dari mana Anissa? Dari rumah atau dari mana?
Dari rumah langsung sini.
Dekat rumahnya dari sini.
Lumayan dekat.
Lancar ya berarti ya?
Lancar.
Langsung aja ya Nisa, karena kemarin kan kamu udah kirim file untuk apply job ya.
Iya.
Dan di sini kan hotelnya sudah termasuk hotel internasional, jadi kita benar-benar cari employee yang harus bisa bahasa Inggris tentunya. So, kita bisa interview pakai bahasa Inggris ya, Cak?
Iya, bisa.
Okay. Can you introduce yourself first?
Alright, my name is Anissa Shakira Al-Dahra. You can call me Caca. And I'm 17 years old. I was born in Garut, October 8, 2002. I live in Jijingga Indah Residence, and I'm fresh graduate from Tourism Vocational School.
Okay, you fresh graduate in Tourism Vocational School. Where the Tourism Vocational School? Because I didn't hear that.
Tourism Vocational School is in the Cijambe village and near with Junior High School and Grias Academy Residence.
Oh, near with Serang Market?
Yes.
Okay, I know that. I know the way. So, how many subjective there?
There is two subjective. For the first is hotel accommodation and then tata boga.
Tata boga. So you choose hotel accommodation, right?
Yes.
So, did you ever work before?
Not yet, but I have already job training in the Palace Hotel.
How many time you have a job training there?
Around 3 months.
3 months. So,
yes.
You said your subjective is hotel accommodation. So, how do you know about the hotel, Caca?
Hotel is the building that provide rooms, meals, and other facility managed by professionally and commercially.
Do you know about the department in the hotel?
Yes, for the first is human resource department have responsibility to handling recruitment of staff.
Okay.
And after that is accounting have responsibility to handling salary of staff. After that is sales and marketing have responsibility to sell the rooms or other facility of hotel. And then front office department have responsibility to handling guest check-in, check-out, reservation, and then give all information about hotel to the guests. And after that is food and beverage department have responsibility to serve and provide food and beverage to the guests. And after that is housekeeping have responsibility to clean all area in the hotel except kitchen. After that is engineering have responsibility to repair any damaged equipment in the hotel. And for the last is security have responsibility to save and keep all area in the hotel.
Okay, so do you know about the classification hotel?
Yes, for the first is the types of hotel by plane. For the American plane is divided by two. There are full American plane is the room rate include 3 times meals, and then modified American plane the room rate include 2 times meals like breakfast and lunch or breakfast and dinner. After that is continental plane is room rate include continental breakfast, and for the last is European plane is the room rate is a room only.
Room only, okay. I think your knowledge about the hotel is already good. So, what the department when you having job training in Java Palace?
Food and beverage service.
Food and beverage service.
Yes.
So, how do you know about the food and beverage service?
Food and beverage service is one department in the hotel that have responsibility to serve food and beverage to the guests.
Okay. How many section in F&B service?
There are 4 sections. For the first is restaurant section, bar section, and then room service section and banquet section.
Banquet section, right? So, did you ever to handle taking order with the guests?
Yes, I ever.
So, do you know what? Do you know about the step by step to handle taking order? Can you explain to me?
Yes, of course. For the first is greeting and offering help. As about the reservation, if the guests have reservation, escort the guests to their table. If the guests not have reservation, ask for how many person and which one area that they like. After that, escort the guests, and then sitting the guests like pull the chair and unfolding the napkin.
Okay.
After that is give the menu, presenting the menu, and then upselling, taking order. After that, don't forget to tell about the time cooking. After that is distribute the captain order to the kitchen, and then adjusting calories. After that is serve the order, and don't forget to say magic word, and then after that is prepare the bill. After prepare the bill is clear up and crumbing the table. After that is settle the payment, and then say magic word for farewell.
Okay, good. So, do you know about the equipment in food and beverage service?
Yes, I know. For the first is chinaware, glassware, and silverware. For chinaware, there is dinner plate, dessert plate, soup cup, and then tea cup, and other. And for silverware, there is spoon, knife, fork, and then serving dish. And for glassware, there is glass juice, water goblet, and then after water goblet, that is highball glass, and then old-fashioned glass, and I think that's all.
Okay. So, if the guest want to order steak, and do you know about the temperature of steak?
Yes, I know. For rare is 2 minutes. For medium rare is 4 minutes. For medium is 6 minutes, and then for medium well is 8 minutes, and then for well done is 10 minutes.
Okay, good. So, for example, the guest want to order or consume egg. So, do you know about the what kind of cake? Egg?
Yes, I know. For the first, there are omelette, scrambled egg, and then poached egg, boiled egg, and then fried egg is divided by three, sunny side up, and over easy and over hard.
Okay, good. So, Shasha, if you accept here,
Yes.
what department do you want to choose?
Front office department as receptionist.
Why front office department? I think your knowledge about FB service is already good. So why you not interesting to apply job in FB service department too?
Because my subject when I school is hotel accommodation, and I think if I work in front office department, it will be connect with my knowledge about front office.
Oh, okay. So if I ask you about the front office department, can you to answer that?
Yes, I'm sure I can.
So do you know about the definition of front office?
Front office department is one department in hotel that have responsibility to handling guest check-in, check-out, reservation, and then give all information about hotel to the guests.
Okay. How many section in front office department?
There are 6 sections. For the first is reception, have responsibility to handling guest check-in, and then reservation section have responsibility to handling the reservation of the guest. After that, the operator have responsibility to handling the telephone from inside or outside of hotel, and then front office cashier have responsibility to handling guest checkout or settle the payment of the guest, and then the and then concierge have responsibility to help about guest luggage, and for the last is information section have responsibility to give all information about hotel to the guests.
Okay, good. So if you ask reception and you work start in morning shift, so what should you do?
For the first is come to hotel, go to locker for prepare myself. After that is fingerprint, and then come to counter and offer handle. Check the area, and then check equipment, checklist, check expected arrival list, and check expected departure list.
You said check Alice, right?
Yes.
So what the Alice want to check?
There are the condition of room reserve, special request, payment arrangement, and arrival time.
So where the Alice to distribute?
For to housekeeping, especially laundry, and then room service section, restaurant section, kitchen, and then in front office to concierge and receptionist.
Okay, good. So Caca, Do you know about the sequence of check-in by walk-in and reservation?
The sequence of check-in by walk-in for the first is greeting and offering help, and then ask about reservation. After that is ask for ask about the detail of the reservation, like the types of room, and then the special request, and don't forget to ask for how long they will stay in our hotel, and then check the room available. After that is after that is assign the room, and then borrow the ID card or passport, and then ask the guest to complete the registration form. After that is ask about the payment or deposit to the guest. After that is explain about hotel facility, give the key, meal coupon, and guest card, and explain about it. And after that is arrange the bellboy to escort the guest to their room and say magic word.
Okay.
And then for check-in procedure by reservation, for the first is greeting and offering help. After that is ask about reservation, ask the name and company name. After that, check-in expected arrival list, and then reconfirm. After reconfirm, ask the uh, borrow the ID card or passport from the guest, and then ask the guest to fill in and sign the registration form. After that, ask about the payment and deposit to the guest. Explain about hotel facility, and then after that is explain about give the key, meal coupon, and then the guest card, and explain about it. After that is arrange the bellboy if the guest need, and then say magic word.
Okay, Caca. If the guests want to check out, so what should you do?
For the first is greeting and offering help, ask the name and room number, and then after that is take the key bag, ask about minibar, ask about spare bill, and then tell to housekeeping. After that is prepare the bill. Well, prepare the bill. Ask the guest for fill in the guest comment form. After that, explain about the bill, and ask ask the payment. Ask about the payment if there are still any minus. After that, ask about after that give the bill, and then arrange the transportation for the guest. And for the last is say magic word.
Okay, good. So Caca, for example, you ask receptionist, and you get the telephone call from the outside, and they want to book the room. So what should you do?
For the first is greeting and offering help, and then ask for how many rooms and how many long they will stay in our hotel. After that, ask about the details of the reservation, like the types of room or special request. After that, check the room available, assign the room, and then ask the name and phone number and address. Ask about the flight details, and then ask about the payment, and then after that is reconfirm. After reconfirm, uh, say magic word, offering other assistance, say magic word, and file the reservation.
Okay. So in the front office department, you will be the as all section, right?
Yes.
So if you ask the FO cashier and you want to closing, what should you do?
For the first is make separate bill according to types of the payment, like voucher by voucher, cash by cash, or credit card by credit card. After that, check the total in summary report in the system, and then close your account, count the money, put the money in the remittance envelope. After that, close the DC machine according to types of the credit card, like Visa by Visa, Amex by Amex, or GCB by GCB. After that, uh, uh, print out the stroke, and then apply the stroke, make it balance. After that, attach the stroke with summary report for report to net audit.
Okay. If you ask bellman and you want to escort the guest to their room, what should you do, Caca?
Purpose is ask about their luggage, like is this your luggage, ma'am? And after that, when escorting the guest to their room, don't forget to explain about hotel facility to the guest. After that, when arrive in the room, unloading luggage, and then check the actual room, After that, explain about the room facility, and don't forget to say magic word.
Okay. If the guests have a problem in their room and they want to change room, what should you do?
For the first is find out the problem, and then check the available of the room, check the actual room, and then after that tell to front office manager. After that, make change room form, tell to housekeeping, and then tell to bellboy, take the key back. I'm sorry, take the key back. After that, tell to bellboy for remove guest luggage, and then make sure that the old key has already been collected, and don't forget to tell other sector that should be known.
Okay. So, if you found the item in the lobby, so what should you do?
For the first is identify the item, and then make immediately fill in the lost and found text with the name of finder, the date, and the place. After that, complete the lost and found form with the identification of the item, the name of finder, and then the date and the place. After that, give to supervisor for keeping, and then if there are guests who claims the item, ask about the details of the item, ask when the guests stay in our hotel and the room number also. After that, check in the system, and then don't forget to borrow the ID card for copy. And if that's right, attach the ID card with the lost and found form, and ask the guest to sign in the lost and found form and give the item.
Okay, good. Caca, your Congress Able front office is good too.
Yes.
So if I ask you about the role play with our staff, can you do that?
Yes, I can.
Okay, Caca. So you said before you ever having job training in Java Palace Hotel, right?
Yes.
Why you not apply job there? Why you apply here?
Because Java Palace Hotel not have job vacancy, and I think this hotel is very famous and also near with my house. When I see the job vacancy in about this hotel, I am so interested to work here.
Okay, Caca. How many languages you speak?
I can two language. For the first is English and then Japanese. But for Japanese, I still learn.
Wow, Japanese.
Yes.
Okay, can you show me how to introduce yourself with Japanese?
Alright. Hajime mashite, watashi no namae wa Anisa Shakira desu. Watashi wa 17 歳です。私のうちに力住んでいます。私の趣味は本を読んでです。よろしくお願いします。
Chacha, o genki desu ka?
はい、元気です。
あなたの日本語を先生の名前は何ですか？
私の日本語を先生の名前はマサハルさんです。
Good. So if I wanna ask about the greeting in Japanese, can you tell me please?
Alright. 例えば for good morning is Ohayo gozaimasu. And then for good afternoon is konnichiwa. For good evening like konbanwa. And then for good night is oyasumi nasai.
So if I wanna ask for example is there any problem?
Mondai ga arimasu ka?
How to say, is this your first time you come here?
あなたはここに初めてですか?
How to say, how about the payment? Do you want pay by cash or credit card?
支払いはどうですか? 現金かクレジットカードですか?
Okay, good. First of all, I like your English, I like your Japanese too. Your personality is good. And Caca, if you accept here, how much is salary do you want?
It's depend on this hotel salary. If you don't mind, may I know this hotel salary?
Of course, the standard of salary for reception is 4 million, but that's not include service, yeah. That's include if include the service can be 6 million. Do you accept it?
Yes, I accept it.
Okay, Caca, I think enough for interview here. So I will arrange time for your interview with the FOM, and I will call you as soon as possible. We have phone number in your personal data, right? So Caca, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
I hope you can join with us.
Yes, thank you for your time.
Yes, you're welcome.